Hello everyone, my name is Abhishek, and in this session we'll be discussing the second puzzle in this series. I'll read the puzzle for you guys. Anurag and Binu met Chetan and asked for his birth date. It is known that Chetan's birthday is one of the following 10 dates listed below. So here we have 10 dates. Now, Chetan tells Anurag and Binu separately the month and the day of his birthday respectively. Then following conversation takes place. Anurag: I don't know when Chetan's birthday is, but I know that Binu doesn't know too. Binu: At first I didn't know when Chetan's birthday is, but I know now. Anurag: Then I also know when Chetan's birthday is. So when is Chetan's birthday? Now, here I'll recommend everyone to pause this video for a couple of minutes and try to solve this puzzle. Now, I suppose everyone must have tried this puzzle. Now I'll explain this to you. I've just organized these dates in the form of a table. Here I have written, see, April 5th, 6th and 9th mentioned in the table. May 7th and 8th mentioned. June 4th and 6th mentioned. July, these three dates mentioned. Now, remember that Anurag knows the month and Binu knows the date. Up. Let us rather than reading the entire conversation in one go, just try to read one sentence at a time. Now, Anurag's first sentence is that I don't know when Chetan's birthday is. Okay, for the sake of convenience, I'll read their names as A, B and C. A: I don't know when C's birthday is. See, this is very much obvious. Why? See, because Anurag could have been known only one of these 4 months: April, May, June and July. Suppose if C has told A that his birthday is in April, so A will be confused whether the birthday is on 5th, 6th or 9th of April. If Anurag has been told that the month is May, then there are two possibilities in May, two possibilities in June and three possibilities in July. So there is no way Anurag can be sure of when the birthday is. So this particular first part of the statement does not give us any new information, but this part is very important. I know that Binu doesn't know too. Up. We can interpret this statement in a particular way. अब ध्यान से समझो. Why is Anurag so sure that Binu doesn't know? Let us think from each month's perspective. If Anurag somehow has been told that the birthday of Chetan is in April, then Anurag must be thinking that if birthday is in April, it could be on any of the dates of 5th, 6th and 9th. 5th, 6th and 9th. अब अनुराग सोच रहा है कि अगर बीनू को 5th पता है, then he certainly cannot know the birthday now. Because अगर 5th पता होती तो बीनू जो है confused रहता between April and July. अगर 6th पता होती then Binu would have been confused between April and June. But अगर अनुराग को अप्रैल मिला है then there is a chance कि बीनू को 9th मिला हो सकता है. अनुराग के मन में तो आएगा ना. तो अगर बीनू को 9th मिला हो तब तो बीनू को पक्का पता होगा कि 9th अप्रैल को ही आएगा, because there is no other month in which 9 has been mentioned. So अनुराग इतना कैसे श्योर है कि बीनू को 9th नहीं मिला होगा? बिकॉज अनुराग को अप्रैल नहीं मिला होगा, वरना तो अनुराग कंफ्यूज रहता है ना. सेम इज द केस विद मे. देखो, इफ अनुराग वुड हैव गॉट मे, ही वुड हैव कंफ्यूज्ड बिटवीन 7th एंड 8th. अब अनुराग के पर्सपेक्टिव से सोचो कि मुझे चेतन, मैं अनुराग हूं एंड Chetan has told me May. If I have been told May, Binu must have been told either 7th or 8th. If Binu knows 7th, then he certainly does not know the month. But if Binu knows 8th, then Binu knows that the birthday is on 8th of May. So which means there's still a possibility that Binu could be knowing the exact date if Anurag has been told May. But how is Anurag so sure that Binu has not gone 8th? Because Anurag must not have been got the month of May. देखो अप्रैल और मई में एक एक डेट ऐसी है जो किसी और मंथ में नहीं है. रिमेंबर, क्योंकि अनुराग ने 9th को पता है 9th नहीं है, इसका मतलब अप्रैल नहीं हो सकता. क्योंकि अनुराग को मालूम है 8th नहीं है, इसलिए मई नहीं हो सकता. विच मीन्स देखो 4th 5th 2 मंथ्स में है, 6th 2 मंथ्स में थी, 7th 2 मंथ्स में थी. So which means if the date is either 4th, 5th, 6th or 7th, then only it is possible for Binu to be confused. So Binu has not been told 8th and 9th because Anurag has not been told month of April or May. Now, if Anurag is sure that Binu does not know, Binu also must be interpreting that इसको कैसे पता कि मुझे नहीं पता. Agreed? Which means the same part of information Binu can also imagine. Now, Binu को भी पता चल गया है कि it is neither April nor May. Binu को ने भी April में अपने उसमें से उड़ा दिया. Which means now the only possible dates are June 4th, June 6th, July 4th, 5th and 7th. Now, अब Binu के perspective से सोचते हैं. At first I didn't know when Chetan's birthday is. Agreed, but I know now. अब ध्यान से समझो, ठीक है, ये बात, इसका भी फर्स्ट सेंटेंस इतना कुछ रेलेवेंस नहीं रखता क्योंकि ये बात तो हमें यहां से पता चल गई थी, Binu does not know. तो at first I didn't know when Chetan's birthday is irrelevant because this was given over here. Now I know. Now the only possible dates right now are, I'll just write it down, June 4th, June 6th, July 4th, July 5th and July 7th. अब बीनू सोच रहा है कि अब तो मुझे पता है. देखो बीनू को तो डेट ही पता है ना. सपोज अगर बीनू को 4th डेट पता होती तो the possibility of date 4 is in 2 months, June and July. Which means Binu को 4th date बताई ही नहीं गई because he says I know now. Which means the 5th, 6th and 7th, these are unique dates as of now. So now Binu को 4th date नहीं पता है, which means we can eliminate these. Now यहाँ पे आपको clear हो गया होगा कि it is one of the 3 dates. Either it is June 6th, July 5th or July 7th. अब अनुराग को क्या पता है? मंथ पता है. Then I also know when Chetan's birthday is. देखो अब अगर अनुराग को जून पता होगा तो उसको पता है कि जून में तो एक ही डेट रहती है. कौन सी? 6th. तो which means वो श्योर है. लेकिन अगर अनुराग को किसी ने जुलाई बताया होगा तो वो अभी भी कंफ्यूज रहता 5th and 7th में. Which means अनुराग को जुलाई बताया ही नहीं गया. Which means after eliminating all these, we got June 6th as the correct answer. So I know this was a slightly tricky question, but then if there is certain doubt, you can look to that part of the video again, and still you can mention your queries either in the comment section of YouTube, or if you want in the Facebook. This LR puzzle will be posted on Facebook also and in the Telegram group of Takshzilla also. So in either of the 3 places you can ask your doubt. Fine. See you tomorrow guys. Thank you.